So hello everyone, you are welcome to the continuation of Surds class. So today we are looking at arithmetic operations with Surds, and here are the lesson objectives. So the first one is addition and subtraction of Surds, while the second one is multiplication and division of Surds. So without wasting much of our time, go straight to the first example under addition and subtraction of Surds. So here are the examples. So the first subheading is addition and subtraction of Surds, and we have these examples. So example 1 says simplify root 18 plus 2 root 2. So to do that, solution number 1. So the question says root 18 plus 2 root 2. So to simplify this, we are going to reduce square root of 18 to its lowest form. We have square root of, the perfect square under 18 is 9. So we have 9 multiplied by 2 plus 2 root 2, which is equal to, so square root of 9 is, so we have root 9 multiplied by root 2 plus 2 root 2. Square root of 9 is 3, so we have 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2. So under Surds, we are allowed to add, since they have the same like term, and the like terms are root 2 and root 2. So they possess the same square root. So we are going to have square root of 2 into 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So we have 5 root 2. So square root of, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2 is given as 5 root 2. So this is example 1 under addition and subtraction of root. That is the example under addition of roots. So the second example is on subtraction of root, and we have it as square root of, 4 root 45 minus 3 root 5, which is equal to, so the first thing to do here is to reduce square root of 45 to its lowest form. Square root of 5 is already in its lowest form. So a perfect square from 45, we have 4 square root of 9 multiplied by 5, then minus 3 root 5, which is equal to 4 into square root of 9 is what? 3. So we have root 3 multiplied by root 5 minus 3 root 5. So which is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 is what? 12. So we have 12 root 5 minus 3 root 5. So 12 root 5 minus 3 root 5 is given as 9 root 5. So 4 root 45 minus 3 root 5 is the same thing as 9 root 5. So you are welcome back. So here is the continuation of arithmetic operations with Surds, and we are moving to multiplication and division of Surds. So the first example is on multiplication of Surds, and we have it as simplify root 24 multiplied by root 72 multiplied by 3 root 5. So root 24 is not a Surds because we still have the perfect square there, root 72 as well, but 3 root 5 is already in the simplest form. So to do that, we are going to bring out the perfect square from 24, which is square root of 4 multiplied by 6. So 4 is a perfect square, but 6 is not a perfect square. So multiply by square root of 36 times 2, because 36 is a perfect square from 72. So we have 36 multiplied by 2, then multiplied by 3 root 5. So we are going to simplify further as square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 root 6 multiplied by square root of 36. That is 6 root 2 multiplied by square root of, 3 root 5 is also 3 root 5. So we can still simplify further by multiplying the coefficient of all the roots, so which is 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3, multiplied by square root of 6, multiplied by square root of 2, multiplied by square root of 5. So 2 multiplied by 6, that is 12. 12 multiplied by 3, that is 36. 36 multiplied by root 6 times 2, or you can say 2 times 5, that's 10. 10 times 6, that is 60. So which is the same thing as 36 multiplied by square root of 60. It's not a surd because we have a perfect square there, and the perfect square is 4. So we have 4 multiplied by 15. So which is the same thing as 36 multiplied by square root of 4 is what? That is 2 multiplied by root 15. So which is 36 multiplied by 2, that is 72. So we now have 72 multiplied by root 15. So which is equal to 72 root 15. Because 15 is not a perfect square, and we cannot get any perfect square from 15. So that is why we have our answer to be 72 root 15. Thank you. Question number 2 says simplify square root of 12 all over 27. So to do this, we have 2 ways of solving this. You can solve it directly, or you can use division law of Surds to solve it. So solving it directly, we have square root of 12 all over 27 equal to square root of, so express this as a perfect product of a perfect square and non-perfect square number. So we have 4 multiplied by 3 all over, also 27 as a product of perfect square and non-perfect square, that is 9 multiplied by 3. So which is equal to square root of 3a1, 3a1. So we are left with 4 all over 9. Then square root of 4 over 9 is the same thing as square root of 4 all over square root of 9, which is equal to square root of 4 is 2 all over square root of 9, 3. Thank you. So this is division law of Surds. Thank you.